Welcome back, my dear ethical hackers. In this video, we are going to talk about social media and how much information a hacker can gather from social media. Just imagine social media, we are on social media 24/7. Every single thing that you do nowadays is being uploaded on social media. What food you eat, what places you visit, everything is uploaded. Social media is a treasure trove of information. How much information can you collect about an individual? How much information can you collect about a person or about even a company just by accessing their social media? Let us see and let's analyze this from the eyes of a hacker. How much information can you collect about an individual using Google, about a person from their own website, from Instagram, from Facebook, from LinkedIn, from YouTube, Twitter or X, Quora, Google Maps, and from Wikipedia? Here's an assignment for you guys. See how much information you can gather about Elon Musk. He's a well-known personality. See how much information you can gather about Bill Gates. I will give you only 5 minutes in this exercise. Within 5 minutes, how much information can you gather about these known personalities? How much information can you gather about me? Okay, if you have only my name, okay, you can just go to Google, you can go to Facebook, you can go to Instagram, and within 5 minutes, how much information can you gather if I give you only my name and my last name? How much information can you collect about me? How much information can you collect about Elon Musk? How much information can you collect about Bill Gates or any of your favorite celebrities? In just 5 minutes, you'll be shocked at the sheer amount of information that you can gather about a person. You can gather information about them like their net worth. You can gather information like their favorite movies, their favorite food, their family, okay, the name of their wife or wives, name of their kids, how many cars they own, their best friend, their nickname, their wake up and sleep timings, and so much more. Their educational level, where they did their schooling from, where they did their graduation from. In just 5 minutes, you will know them much better than you knew them before. It's so easy for you to find out details about Elon Musk, Bill Gates, or any other celebrity. Now, I am not a celebrity. You will not find my net worth. You will not find details about my wife and kids. You will not find details about my cars. But how much information can you find out about me? Can you find out my profession, my nickname, my education, my schooling, my graduation, my favorite movies? Do I have a favorite food? Do I have a best friend? Let's see how much information you can gather about me. I may not be a sports personality, but I do have some online presence, and see how much detail you can gather about me. The purpose of this exercise is just so that you can start thinking like a hacker. Believe me, you will love this exercise, and let me know your feedback about how it went. See you in the next video.